In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete Snapchat message from both sides. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. And then just tap right here at chats icon to head over to your chats. After that, enter a conversation. Here I got a message from my account to that conversation, and let's say I want to delete that message for all the participants of that conversation. Basically, guys, that is really simple. All we have to do is just hold our finger at that message, then tap at delete. Now it says that everyone in the group can see that you have deleted something. To continue, tap at delete. Now it says you deleted a chat, however, the message is gone from here, from your device and from your friends' devices as well. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.